In this video, I'm going to give you 7 tips you can use right now to title your videos better to get more views. And we're starting right now. Hi there, David Walsh here, helping you grow your YouTube channel. Now, if you're struggling to get more views on your videos, I've got 7 tips that I use with my clients to get more views on them just by proper titling on the videos. You see, there are 2 ways to title your videos. The first one is by using keywords and by putting them in the titles for search. The second way is for suggested. Now, we're not going to go into suggested in this particular video because that's a very different process than titling your videos for search or SEO. So we're going to focus on the first one, which is titling your videos for search, which is a lot easier. The first thing to do with your titles is to put the main keyword that you want to rank for at the very beginning of your title. Working with a client recently, we looked at her titles on her videos. She's in the crafting space, and we noticed that the main keyword that she could be ranking for was actually at the end of her video title rather than at the beginning. So a quick win to get more views on her existing videos for her was to take handmade cards. And we noticed that handmade cards was one of those keywords that she could rank for quite easily. So if you took that from the end and put that to the front, she was going to get a lot more traffic just by changing the title of an existing video. So whatever the keyword is that you found with your keyword research, and if you want a quick way to do keyword research, watch the video I did on how to rank videos. Link is at the end of this video or in the description below. So when you have that main keyword that you want to rank for, pop that at the very beginning of your title rather than at the end, and that will help with ranking your videos and getting more views on your videos when you have higher search results with your video. The second tip is to use long tail keywords. If you're starting out, getting ranked for big keywords in your niche is going to be very difficult. It's not impossible, but it's very difficult. So look at those longer tail keywords and put them as your main keyword at the beginning of your title, and that will help you get more views because you're niching down with your title. So if we look at the how to YouTube space, get more views would be a big title in this space. A long tail keyword here would be get more views if you're starting out, or get more views as a gaming channel, or get more views as a beauty channel. So by using these long tail keywords, I can rank that video for those specific terms, which will help get ranked for get more views. And as I said, make sure to pop that at the very beginning, and then anything else can go at the end. Tip number 3 is to create curiosity. With your titles, you can create what's called an open loop. This is where you open a suggestion and the person's curiosity will want to close that loop. An example of this would be if I had a title, if you want to grow your YouTube channel, watch this now. Or get 1,000 subscribers now, 7 easy ways. So what they've done is that they've created curiosity, they've opened that loop, and the only way of closing that loop is by clicking on the link and watching the video. You'll see this on numerous videos, and now that you know what this is, you can actually apply it to your own videos. Now, before we go into the rest of these tips, make sure to like and share this video with those people you know who need it. And if you are brand new, make sure to click that subscribe button, smash that notification bell to be notified when we upload more videos to help you grow your YouTube channel. Tip number 4 is to use emotion. This is a great way to connect with your audience if they feel in a particular emotive state. Putting that emotive state in your title can help get more clicks and views on your video. A great example of this would be how to grow your YouTube channel if you feel stuck. There are plenty of YouTubers out there who are feeling stuck, so by adding that little piece in my title, talks directly to them and they will click on that video and watch it. Another title could be how to get video sponsorships even if you're a small channel. Again, a lot of people can relate to being a small channel, so they'll look at that and go, that is interesting to me, and click on the title. We've got a client in the personal development space, so one of the videos that they did was how to achieve work-life balance when you're stressed. So their target audience is very stressed, they're working very, very hard, and they want to get more balance back in their life. We have our main keyword at the beginning, which is work-life balance, and then we've got that emotive keyword at the end, if you're stressed. So this will speak directly to them, and this will get more clicks on that particular video. The next tip is to use clickbait sparingly. We have one rule when it comes to clickbait, is that when you use clickbait, you need to fulfill on that particular promise. So if you do have something sensational in your title, which is your promise, you need to deliver in your video. If you do have something sensational in the title, then you definitely need to have that in your video. And as I said, use it sparingly. Don't do it on every single video, because then you condition your audience to just click on the video, find that bit of clickbait, and as soon as they find it, or if they don't find it at all, which is not a good thing, they will just click off and you do not get the watch time on your videos, which affects your whole YouTube channel. So it's not going to help your YouTube channel at all to use this on a consistent basis. Use clickbait sparingly so that when you do use it, you get more views on your videos, which will help give you a nice jump on your YouTube channel, and then hopefully get more traffic to your other videos. If you're using the previous two tips, you're creating curiosity and opening loops, and you're also using emotion in your titles, then you don't need to use that many clickbait titles. The next tip is to see what's working on YouTube. Now, you don't have to look at videos in your own niche to see what's working. You can look at other channels that are doing very well successfully, see what common traits they're using on their titles and swipe them, test them on your videos and see if they work. Jay Shetty on his YouTube channel uses the phrase "watch this." So he has a hook with the opening phrase and then "watch this." So video title here, if someone broke your heart, watch this. Before you judge someone, watch this. So he's created that open loop. We're using curiosity in the first part, but he's attached the phrase "watch this" on the end of that particular opening phrase to get you to click. We've seen this on our videos as well, where we put the phrase "complete guide" on our tutorials. This gets great watch time on our videos because, again, we've told people it's a complete guide. They expect to watch a little bit of a longer video, so they will stay that little bit longer on those videos, and we get great watch time for them. So look at phrases on channels that are getting thousands and thousands of views. Take that little phrase, attach it to your title, test it there. I'm not going to say that it's going to work 100% of the time, but take that phrase, test it on your titles and see how that does for your clicks and views. The last tip is that you need to test everything. There's no guarantee that taking one of these tips is going to dramatically increase your views, but what you might find is that the next tip or a different tip might work a lot better for you. You might even find that a combination of two of these, or maybe three, can work really, really well for you. So don't take one and just do it on a video and see if that works and it doesn't work. Test it on a number of videos. Look at the average, see if you're getting more views on your videos using these tips. Take which ones that work and then discard the ones that don't. Growing your YouTube channel is all about testing, reviewing your analytics, making sure that things are heading in the right direction, and when they don't, look at what caused that and then just remove it, replace it with something else. So which of these tips do you use on your YouTube titles? Let me know in the comments area below. And if I've missed any out, make sure to add that in the comment area as well. I can add that to another video in the future. And if you're brand new and you're not using any of these, which tips are you going to take and test right now? Again, let me know in the comments area below. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click that subscribe button, smash that notification bell to be notified when we upload videos to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you would like to get more views on your videos by using YouTube search, make sure to watch that video right there.